Joe Beermaster here with another Joe Beermaster, the Car Master adventure. I got an 11 Chevy Equinox. I'm going to show you how to take the door handle off. This is the rear, same for the front. The thing you want to do is open the door, and there'll be a little plastic cover over here. You pop that plastic cover off, it's already missing. Then you want to use a T25 Torx head, which is right here, and we're going to put it in there on an angle. I would recommend you get a flashlight because it does go in on an angle, and it's very difficult to see. There it is right there. All right, I got it on there, and as you loosen it, this cap will come loose. You don't actually take out the screw, just loosening it. I'm in real close quarters here, so it's a little hard for me to video this.
That's off.
All right, so we got it loose. Take the cap off. Once the cap's off, you slide the door handle back and take it out. Put it back the same way in reverse. Now you're gonna put it in. Put the cap back in, slide that all the way up. And sometimes you gotta open the handle to get that in. All right, now what you wanna do is that screw that we took out remains on the inside. You just wanna retighten that, line it up with the cap, and you're done. Bada bing. Joe B. Joe Beermaster, Car Master. That was quick. You got to use that T25 and put it in on an angle. That's the trick. The front doors, you don't have to do it in such an angle. Please subscribe and share this for your friends. Thanks for Big Joe for helping us out again.